friends, it's me. And today we're gonna be checking out some really weird 5-minute crafts hacks. Curls with a bottle and a hair dryer. What is this voodoo magic? No way. She went from your ex-boyfriend's limp-dick hair to luscious AF curl. Look, no way that does anything but make a mess. I ain't buying it. Only OGs will remember where I am. Also, today I'm using a ring light. I feel like I'm the only person on this planet that looks pretty dank with a ring light. Anyways, I just came back from a night out. Literally all this preparation, weeks to pick out an outfit, an hour to do my hair and makeup, to be at a social event for half an hour. And I didn't even get a good picture out of it. But anyways, hair, as you can see, looking a little dank. So we're gonna curl it. So it's supposed to be very simple. Just take a bottle and then make a hole in it. I want the hole to be about the size of the dryer. I don't have the fancy attachment or anything. I mean, this is all I have. It looks like an inhaler of the future. Insert anxiety, exhale zen, or whatever you vegans believe in. All right, so insert hair. The strand is pretty limp, as y'all can see. We're gonna put it in. I hope this doesn't, like, I don't know, somehow burn my hair follicles off. We're gonna do it on low. This is gonna melt the plastic. Where's the swirl? Why isn't it swirling? Hello? Hello? Okay, hair, go in. Yes, ma'am. Spin, damn it. It's curling. Take the muffins out of the oven. You see that? That's a curl. That's a curl. Yes, Daddy. That kind of worked. Kind of worked pretty well. A little too well. I don't know how safe this is for your hair. Probably ain't BPA free. Something's burning. Okay, that one didn't really spin, so I don't know what the secret trick is. I'm pretty sure it's, you have to have the attachment. Circulate the flow of air in a more accurate manner. I don't know, man, it's getting hot. There ain't room for the both of us in here with no AC on. But I mean, if you really wanted to perfect this and spend some time and get a water bottle blowout, then you probably could. Like it kind of worked. I'm a believer. She just cut her hair off. Excuse me, Brittany, are you okay? She took her hair, put it in a pencil. Are we making a makeup brush? Oh no, honey, you could go to the dollar store and get yourself a brush. Elf make cheap AF, but no, it doesn't even work good. Sorry, only organic fibers. No synthetic fibers were hurt in the making of this video. Do your bangs look like a blind child? Cut them. Say no more. Dip a bobby pin in hot water. Is that really gonna fix this mess? It's like straightening them. Yeah, it's better. Is this for real? It's like straightening them, but when you don't have a straightener. I don't think this would work. This seems very unlikely. We making some hair dye, some conditioner, and marker juice. And you can dye your hair. I believe this only works with blondes. It's like the Kool-Aid hack. When I was in school, all the blonde girls were doing it. They would make Kool-Aid and then put it in their hair and then would dye your hair. My foolish 9-year-old self tried it and I was like, why it don't work? And then my mom was like, you have to be blonde. That's that blonde privilege. Fork and glue to make freckles. Oh, I love doing fake freckles. Oh, they look so natural. Meow, except you're gonna have them in like 4s. Oh, I mean, sorry mother, we're ruining a fork. I can't wait to try this freckle hack. I got the ugliest fork in my cabinet. I stole this one from the Old Country Buffet in 2013 and I somehow still have it. It's just heavier than my other fork and I don't like eating with it. So sorry, your time has come. So I'm gonna take my glue gun and just put a speck on each fork of the spork. Each pointy part. No, the first one came out perfect and then the rest was ruined. Look at it, I tried, I really tried. I'm gonna have to do this again because I kind of failed it. It was supposed to be like a perfect circle on each one. Maybe if I can mold it with my, oh no, they all just came off. Just like that, okay. I'll try this again. Gonna get them perfect. Look at that. Precision German engineering. I called this the Frecklemeister 5000. I hope it lives up to its name. All right, it's pretty dry. Where's my eyeshadow? We got my little palette. Oh, you guys can see yourself. All right, a scoop the poop. Yes. Gently caress it. Pick up the brown pigment. Oh no, it's not touching all of them. Destroying my palette. But anyways, freckle time. Oh wait, you guys probably want to see me do it. Oof. 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 I love getting forked in the face at 1 in the morning. Oh, yes, yes. Can you guys see this? Hold on, let me put some on my nose. I like to do it on my nose because I don't like to contour my nose, but I like to like freckle contour. So it's like you create the illusion, kind of. You know what? It was actually a pretty good hack. I would have probably used a lighter shade to make it look more natural, but this is all I had here. The fork is like, delicious. Finally, some good human flesh. It's so overexposed. How do you use a ring light and not have the lighting overexposed? I don't know. You know, I've been doing YouTube for like 7 years. I suck at camera work. I barely know how to use a camera, and I barely know how to like set up lighting. Okay, boomer. This is like the lowest. Is this the lowest setting? This is, oh my God. Ah! Loud in heaven. Please shut off the light. Okay, that's the lowest. That's what we were working with before. Okay, now it suddenly looks better now that you have been flashbanged. Oh, I'm so cute with my ears. Dumbo could never. But you see the freckles, right? They're pretty cute. I like them. I looked in the mirror and it was all right. Can we do the Instagram test? Ooh, they look cute. Hell yeah. Yes. Wow, this actually makes me look cute on an iPhone camera. An 8+ camera. This is the worst camera I've ever seen in my life. And it made me look cute. Ugh. Why does she have to do it so seductively? Like, I guess I don't have bad breath, but if you do, you lick something and then you smell it and then you'll know. Did she just spray air freshener? Oh, hairspray, even worse. Hairspray on your lips? Oh, she's taking it like a champ. I would have been like, and a hair dryer for bigger lips. Doesn't work! Why did you make me sit through that if it doesn't work? This is a huge plot twist. How you gonna throw me with this huge plot twist? Y'all supposed to be 5-minute crafts. Y'all supposed to be master of the hacks. Oh, I'm so relieved that I don't have to spray my lips with some hairspray. What's the point of this? How to dry your hair fast with a plastic bag. Looking like Forever 21 head. Oh, it fills it up. That looks dangerous. It dried really fast, but wouldn't like the plastic melt? Something might happen. I don't know. It does sound like risky business. Oh, so I've seen this on TikTok. Basically, you take eyelash glue and then make your lips bigger. Like you glue your lips bigger. Congratulations, you look like a fool. But no, this might actually work. I'm surprised it actually like sticks up and stays. Good thing I saw this, cause this is nail glue. We need eyelash glue. This is illegal. I only have this little thing, so we're gonna have to probably wait for this to dry. So you just go like a little mini mustache. This is really gonna like glue. I did not think this is gonna work. I'm gonna use my, oh wait, let me get rid of my freckle juice and I'm gonna use my fork. How big would you like your lips? Yes. No, it didn't work. This glue is also really old. I might need a stronger glue. It didn't work. No, it's not gluing. How long do I have to hold this for? Man, this sucks. Tired of this hack. Where's the tape hack when I need it? Get all this crust off. I feel like my lip does look bigger though. Do you have blackheads? Wow, imagine your skin being so perfect, you literally had to draw black dots on your nose for it to look like blackheads. Get some glue and charcoal. Ooh, this actually sounds like a good idea. This might work. It's like making slime, but for your filthy pores. Put that bad boy all over your face, and it's supposed to pull it out. So it's like one of those satisfying masks. I don't know if it's strong enough to pull out blackheads. Pants too big? Take your earring, pop that bad boy in, and then use it as a second button. See, I think that's genius until you had your midday burrito, and then you sit down, and it pops off and stabs somebody in the esophagus. And then you're going to jail. Was it worth it? You got some dusty, crusty, musty lips? Pull out some tape. Oh, this does not sound like a good idea. Of all the things you can do. Ew, it's like a lint roller for crust. It's a crust roller. I don't think that's gonna work. Why can't you just make like a sugar scrub? Like sugar honey, wham bam, yes ma'am. Or like rub with a wet towel, that's what I do. But you telling me tape? What about the pieces that don't wanna like come off? Oh, girl, you got some some stank breath. You've been drinking some toilet water flavored kombucha? Well, say no more. Take some charcoal and brush the stank out of your mouth. Ooh, delicious. So I actually have charcoal toothpaste. Is it like different from regular toothpaste? Probably not. Do they got teeth any whiter? Probably not. But I mean, I've never tried just straight up charcoal and water. Looking like you ate and drank The Grudge and absorbed its powers. Next up, we got some charcoal. I only had charcoal from a face mask charcoal. Charcoal powder. So like, I'm about to risk it all for you guys, okay? So let's see a before and after. Here are my teeth. Just like the dentists do it. Bone apple teeth, I guess. Tastes like bad chocolate. My mouth is drying up. I just don't like this feeling. A go-go reset. Do my teeth look whiter? Be honest. Oh no. I mean, just use charcoal toothpaste. You probably should not use the one that said charcoal mask. Deep pore cleansing. This ain't for teeth. And now we got some beef. Did you really burn plastic onto your hair? No, thank you. I don't care if I'm gonna have the blingiest scalp at Coachella. I ain't trying to burn plastic to my hair follicles. You look foolish, Vanessa. Do you suck at working out? Do you struggle at doing a sit-up? Say no more, we just gonna contour. No way this could possibly look real. No, try again. She eating jam straight from the can with no toast? Do you suck at eyeshadow? Fear no more. Take a bottle cap, put it on your eyeball socket, and trace the eyeshadow over it. Oh no, I feel horrible. Because I don't know if it's her eyes, but like, it looks off. Did she do it wrong? Or, oh my god, I feel horrible because I don't know if her eyes are like that. No, the eyeshadow is making her look like one eye is bigger than the other. I'm confused, let's just try it. Okie dokie, this one's a hack for me. Take a bottle cap, we only have Aquafina blue, and insert it into your eyeball socket. You can't see, but okay. And then pick your eyeshadow of choice. We're going to do a purple. You see, I suck at eyeshadow. So we're gonna pick a pigment. I mean, you should be able to do this with your eyes closed. Isn't that the point? And then we're gonna, oh wow, okay, it's gonna be a perfect arch, right? We just put it around the eyeball socket. Bring around the rosy. Okay, ready to see it? Does it look good? I guess if you clean it up a bit. Oh, my eye hurts. This sucks. I'm gonna try it again with the other eye. It's not going where I want it to go. Ow, it's slicing me slowly. Ow. This is unacceptable. You see this? Unacceptable with my eyes closed. I could have just taken the dang eyeshadow and just like without like looking at a mirror, like free-handed this bad boy and it would have came out better than with a bottle cap. Like, what's the point of the bottle cap? This is so much eyeshadow, I'm freaking out. Get off my eyelid, you're hideous. I'm gonna wash my face after this, so might as well just do the whole black eye look. Yes, add some red in there for extra trauma. My eyes hurt. That bottle cap was not very nice. Gotta highlight. I feel like a 12-year-old playing with makeup. Oh no, that's really gonna clog my pores. I should stop. I still have to do my outro! Looking like an empanada. That made no sense. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If sorry, I look so foolish. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, the face, and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Let me know what I should do next. And did I do any of these good or are they all bad? Let me know. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.